Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina Beneduk. I don't know. I was trying to start the usual way. I mean, I do know my name. You know what I mean? Yeah, great start to a video. I could just refilm, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I had a video planned for Sunday. I bid on this unit and I had to stop at 1200, so 1200. The most that I spent on a unit up until now was like $143, I want to say. So 1200 is definitely up there. I do have some pictures of it. I will put it somewhere on the screen, probably here where my hand is. So there was a mattress, like just a mattress alone, probably $1,000. I don't know. It looked like a really nice mattress. It was king size. It had the king headboard, the twin, like the two twin spring boxes that go underneath a queen mattress. A bunch of furniture, farmhousey stuff, like, you know, people that like stuff that people buy nowadays, and everything looked new. Like a bunch of stuff had tags on it. There were more bags in the back. Like it was really worth it. A grill that looked like almost new. So it had a bunch of stuff in it and I really wanted it. Like I had planned my weekend, my video, everything around it, and I had to stop at 1200. That was just too much. I'm not there yet, you know what I mean? Maybe one day I will be, but yeah, I just said no. I stopped. And I don't know what it went for. Probably like 1300. I don't know. It went like 30 minutes over the time that it was supposed to end. I did work night shift this past week and I am exhausted, so I took it super chill today, did some errands, got groceries, went to Goodwill, which is like one of my favorite places, as you know. I got me a Sudoku book and I've been doing Sudoku for the past like 2 hours. I cannot get, like, I need ones and sixes like everywhere. I only had one and 1 6 on the whole board and I just can't break it, but I am having fun with it because I love numbers. So yeah, I did buy some chairs and a table. Actually, let me show you that real quick so you know. It is one day that I said I was gonna take a break from everything, but I will end up painting the bottom of the chairs. Let me get there. So I kind of, Harvey and Halsey are here. I kind of don't want to show you the yard because I have a few more things to do. I have to paint some more things and arrange some more things before I do the final yard reveal, and I hope that the weather will be pretty good so I can have like a mini party at my house, like maybe like 6-8 of my bestest friends to come together for like a bonfire / grill type thing. But these are the chairs. They're almost the same as what I have in my dining room right now. The reason why I bought them is because Harvey ate the legs of them. So these have metal legs and they have the pillows that are actually like connected to the chair, so I have to clean a little bit around it, but they're in really good shape. I do want to paint the bottom because everything inside is like black. I don't have any chrome stuff, and it came with an awesome table. Let me turn the camera. Love it. It's like so modern, and I'm trying to make it match the boho, like kind of like chill, natural feel that I want the other unit to have. I am still not done there, far from done, but I'm taking it slow in there. I want to finish the yard completely because the weather is starting to get good. I do have some sewing projects that I'm working on because I do have a sewing machine, and by working on, I'm working in my head. I bought the stuff that I want to like make my project out of, but I didn't get to actually take the sewing machine out and actually get to it, but I am super excited to do that. So I have ideas for videos. I still want to film about stuff that I found in storage units, but it's just sometimes you got to take a day for yourself. I did want to update you because I don't like to go more than 2 weeks without a video. So thank you for following along and watching my videos every time I post. I was gonna say every week, but you know, lately it's been every 2 weeks. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Mwah.